So I got a couple of lenses for my phone, an anamorphic lens and a super macro lens. And before you go, a clip-on lens, really? You should see how they work. Okay, hey, so I'll try to keep this to the point and just share these cool lenses that I got from Ulanzi. Remember, links are always down in the description, plus a surprise link. And also, if you can, hit that, and also that. I mean, you guys have been amazing helping this channel grow, and seriously, it's working because I have some amazing products coming my way to share with you. Also, time chapters are down at the bottom in case you want to skip ahead to different parts, because we will be dissecting into these lenses a little bit, so if you need to skip ahead, that's where you do it down there. I should probably. So after watching some of my other reviews, Ulanzi was like, hey, any other products you want us to send you? And I looked at their website, which has a lot of products, by the way. And I was like, hey, I actually kind of have my eye on the anamorphic lens and the super macro lens for the phone. Now, the reason why I actually wanted this is because there was a time when I had a love affair with phone lenses. I had like all of the Moment lenses, which I ended up selling. And then I got the Lemuro set, which is really good. It's just like the Moment lenses, and I still have their products. And then there was Olo Clip, which honestly was my favorite lens company ever, but they're like on hiatus, or maybe they're not even a company anymore. And a clip-on lens is so much more practical for like traveling, and it's much quicker to attach to the phone. Also, probably one of the biggest pluses on it was that it worked for the front-facing camera. So when you are live streaming with your phone, you can see yourself and you have that wide field of view. So now that you're all caught up on my life, let's jump into what I got from Ulanzi. So first, let's look at the 75mm macro lens. In the box, we have a quality travel bag, the lens, cloth, and instructions. It also comes with two mechanisms, a clip and a clamp. Basically, that will cover over 90% of the phones that are out there. It is made with quality, feels strong in your hands. It has multi-layer lens coating to allow the lens to restore the clarity and give a high-quality shot. And a lens like this allows you to shoot photos and videos at a distance of 1.5 inches to 3 inches. So normally where it would look like this with your phone, you put the lens on and you get this kind of detail, and that is impressive. All the other lenses I've seen out there, you have to hold it like right on your subject, which is insane and like a little bit too macro-y, if that's a word. This one gives you a little bit more space so that when you're shooting with it, like you can get that detail, and it's great for product shots. All right, now let's move on to the anamorphic lens. And if you're wondering what is an anamorphic lens, I don't know, maybe you saw the halftime show on the Super Bowl and you saw all those crazy lines on the light. That was done with an anamorphic lens. But it's not just about those little lens flares. It also adds a certain cinematic aspect ratio to your shots. Basically what it does is it takes a squeezed image and it flattens it out into a widescreen image. And there are a lot of creative reasons to use a lens like this. Mainly for me, I just want to get more cinematic shots with my phone. All right, so let's check out what's in the box. You get the lens, which is built really well. And just like the other one, it comes with a clip and a clamp. It also comes with an adapter ring so you can put an additional 52mm filters on them. The lens itself is premium quality, aluminum alloy and coated glass to minimize reflections. It also allows you to twist the lens so that you can get that wider focal length in horizon and vertical modes. So they suggest to buy an app called Filmic Pro. And if you have it, that's cool, but it's like $23. But I want to make an app suggestion for less than $5 called Pro Movie Recorder. And this is actually probably one of the coolest apps for video that I've ever seen. And this isn't a lesson on how to use that app, although maybe that might be a good future video, but they do have an anamorphic button to assist with making the picture much better than just using it on the camera app itself. Yeah, maybe I should do a video review on that app. I'll add it to the list. So the anamorphic lens kit sells at $60, which almost makes it a third of the price to its competitors. So yeah, and the super macro lens only sits at, what? $26? That's really good. So do I recommend these lenses? Actually, I know a lot of YouTubers that use their phones exclusively for their content. And I think the super macro lens would be an exceptional way to get some of those product shots really up close. And the anamorphic lens would be great to make your footage more cinematic. My only problem is I'm still using the iPhone 10. Yeah, I was gonna upgrade this year to the 12, still might, but I'm holding out for the next one that comes out. These lenses would probably look sick on an 11 Pro or a 12 Pro or 12. Now I feel like I need to go buy a new phone. No, I can wait. Oh, but that's what's great about these lenses is that I can hang on to them, and when I do upgrade my phone in the future, they will work. So there we go. That's another product review on this channel where I review just about anything and everything. Thank you, Ulanzi, for sending me these. They've also sent me some more stuff that I'm anxious to unbox and share with you. Plus, I have a lot of really, really shockingly awesome products that are coming my way, and I can't wait to share them with you. Plus, doing a lot of giveaways soon on my Tech is Hard podcast channel, so go over and check it out, subscribe, and watch, because we'll show you how we're doing that very soon. Also, if you want to hear some cover songs, I do some music up here, and you can check that out if you want to. Also, I handpicked this next video. I think that this next video is the one you should watch of mine. Yeah.